We are on our way to the Hogwarts Festival. I have my wand with me. I'm decked out in Gryffindor, and Cameron's a muggle.
Death Eater.
He's a muggle, so at least I'll have fun.
Challengers will be Hufflepuff challenges Slytherin. Make some noise! Then make some noise and cheer your champions on to victory!
Next wizard. Here we go.
Hey guys, so I am at the Wizards Festival in Uxbridge and it's been pretty cool. There's lots of Harry Potter themed stuff. Behind me there's a Quidditch match happening, which is pretty cool. There's a whole bunch of like potions and wands classes and some gift shops, and we got a picture with Hagrid and one of his dragons, so that's always awesome. Later on we're going to be doing a train ride and we're going to have to solve some sort of mystery, and there is a maze for us to do as well and some creatures to take a look at, so stay tuned.
They have line changes.
That's funny. Quidditch!
With the red rubber ball.
Face off.
And if you get hit by this ball, you have to go back and touch something, and then you get to come back and play.
It's like dodgeball.
Yeah. So Cam and I are waiting for the fire show. We're freezing. It's so cold. It should be starting in 5 minutes.
I should have brought a jacket.
Yeah, he should have brought a jacket. So we are just waiting and hopefully it's a good show. So you'll see it soon.
what you spend here.
I think we're still going to C4. So we just got on the train. We're gonna catch some evil wizards and set some free because they're caged and prisoners right now. Cameron, did you get some coffee?
It's called.
It's cold outside today, so we're glad that we're finally in the heat, and we'll see what the train ride brings. So yeah. Ooh, house colors! Oh yeah!
On this very train. Now, the first thing we will need to do is, sort you into a wizard house.
Now passing
There are
in
4
Willow
of them.
Station.
Thank you. Now on with the sorting. All from the very start. Raven House, you're smart, you're wise. Creative and clever, you don't disguise. Your passion for learning and curious thinking, seeing through different eyes. One more house I'll never forget. My friends in Slither House. You are the ones of great ambition. Through twists and turns, making memories forever. Your ticket was the first step, but that was just the beginning.
So we are now back home from Hogwarts Festival, and it was actually pretty cool. We really enjoyed it. I'll probably go again next year or the year after easily. It was definitely a cool experience with lots of things to see. The only downfall was that it was cold. Besides that, we had a fun time. So if you're ever in Uxbridge in October, feel free to check out Wizards Festival.